Hey guys, welcome back. Love, peace, and happiness, the hair guru. I am going to be creating today a video. It's going to be just a quick video on how to cut bangs. You just want to take a little off, don't want to take too much off. I'm just going through the motions of how I do it. So without further ado, I'm going to get right to it. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and click the bell to receive all notifications. All right guys, so here we go. The first thing we're going to be looking at is the all-purpose comb. This is the comb we use for cutting hair. I use the black one actually, more so than the gray one. And then the next thing we're going to do is look at alligator clips. This is for sectioning hair. Bangs, you really only need one. And I'm just going to show you how these open and close. These are really good for grasping hair. I enjoy these a lot and I use these quite often for sectioning. Last thing is my shears. You need a really, I think you need a decent pair of shears. If you're going to use it for hair, only use it for hair. And a water bottle. I think that's more essential for a good, clean, crisp cut is wetting the hair. Gonna start out here by zooming you in. Now I'm gonna start with sectioning. Just gonna do like really one section. You don't need a whole lot of sections here. It's the bangs. But when you pull down, you only want to take about 1/4 of an inch. I mean, I'm talking just a real little bit. That hair shrinks, folks. Maybe 1/4 of an inch. Pull the hair straight down. Don't pull it out. Pull it straight down. That will give you the best cut possible with taking minimal off. Make sure you kind of overextend the sides a little bit so that there's not so much of a drop there and it blends a little bit better. And I'm going to pull that next section down and just dust off those when I pull it down there. You can see some of the bangs are a little bit longer. I'm growing those out. She had too much bangs here. And I'm just pulling down, straight down, just cutting off that very little bit. I'm just pulling the hair straight up. This part is optional when I'm going up like this here. You don't have to do that. I'm doing that just so that it's not so heavy in the bangs. It kind of leaves it a little bit of a longer layerish. It's a little bit lighter on the bangs. So yeah, that is basically it. It looks like we have somebody happy and it is approved.